How to delete my WordPress blog and start over. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial how to delete your WordPress website. Okay, so let's get right into the tutorial. All that you have to do is to simply log in into your control panel by putting your username, your password, then you click on login. Okay, so when you log right into your control panel, just like this one, come and then locate the Subtaculous app installer, just like this one, and then select it. Okay, so when you select it, you are going to see your installations here, the number of installations. Over here, I'm having only one installed. Okay, just come and then click on the installations, and then over here you are going to see the website URL here, just like this one. You can log in, but you're not going to log in, you are going to delete it. So as you can see, we have remove is here. Just come and then click on the remove. So over here it says removing WordPress. When you come here, we have remove directory, and then come and make sure that it is checked, just like this one. Okay, then we have remove database as well. Just come here and then make sure that that one is also checked. And then we have remove database user. Come and then make sure that that one is checked as well. Okay, then come down here. You are going to see that we have remove installation, just like this one. Simply come and then click on it. So after clicking on it, this pop-up will come. It says that these actions are irreversible and you cannot take it back. Okay, are you sure you want to uninstall it? Simply come and then click on OK, and then simply wait, sit, relax, and then see your WordPress to be deleted in a simple and fast way. So after it has finished uninstalled, you will see that installation was removed successfully, just like this one. So this is how to delete your WordPress website and start all over.